Good morning, I'm Dr. Fadari Bode. I'd like to share with us how to maintain our CPAP machine. Um, we've talked about the components of the CPAP machine in the other video. If you've not watched it, please click on the link and then watch it. The basic part that needs to be maintained, the humidification chamber, this part needs to be filled with distilled water up to the point marked here. So use distilled water rather than the tap water, because what the tap water does is that it forms mineral deposits at the floor of this humidification chamber, and that actually damages this chamber. It may need to be replaced if that is spoiled. So use distilled water. You can get it in any store where such water is being sold. Distilled water preferred rather than tap water because of the minerals. So that is number one. So before use, you fill your humidification chamber with distilled water up to the point marked there, and then you slot it in like this. Secondly, there's a filter which comes with the CPAP machine. The filter is right here. So this helps to filter the debris, the dirt from the CPAP. This needs to be changed every day or after every use. This needs to be changed. So you change it, and then of course you slot it back in here and then cover it gently. Right. So the filter needs to be changed every day or after every use. That is very important, so that you do not continue to take in debris or dirt after each use. So that is that. The next thing is the tubing. This tubing needs to be washed after every use. It needs to be washed. Just wash it with distilled water rather than the tap water. Wash it with distilled water rather than the tap water. And if there's any sediment inside, you just rinse gently with mild detergent, and then you flush in distilled water through it and allow to air dry. Very important. The next thing that needs to be maintained regularly is the nose mask or face mask, as the case may be. You clean this gently with clean water and then rinse with distilled water. The components can easily get damaged if tap water is being used and then stays long on the body. So preferably wash with clean water and then just rinse gently with distilled water. That's very, very important. The next is the power cord. If it's not in use, please disconnect from the light source. Disconnect from the power source. Once this machine is not in use, you disconnect your CPAP machine from the light source. Then the strap on, of course, you can wash that regularly before and after use. This is basically done to enlighten us with respect to maintenance of our CPAP machine. If you have comments and questions, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.